welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I showed you how to do this simple, natural kind of simple beat glam. Cause she did that. But yes, this is the final look of my last video of the Bantu knots. To take them out, all you gotta do is put some little oil on your hands. See oil on my hands, and you just untwist them, and then boom, and then separate. And then I picked mine out a little bit. And Shawty's getting boom, baby, boom. But yeah, stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let's get into this makeup look. Our face. We're going to prime our face with our Elf. Let me read it first. Blemish Control Face Primer. We're gonna put it all over our face. Now we're gonna go in with this setting powder to set our eyebrows. I then used the middle shade in this Black Radiance palette to set my entire face, but I made sure I only used a little bit. Then we set that cheek with setting spray. Let her set, let her set, set. Let her set, set. She's setting and setting. Wow. And she's setting, and wow. Eyebrow pomade. I'm gonna do our eyebrows. We're gonna do our eyebrows. We're gonna do our eyebrows. And we're gonna take a flat brush, a flathead brush. And mine, see, mine's a little, she's a little dumb right now. Who is that? Well, we're gonna flatten it out with the piece of paper to make it look. Who the fuck is that? I used light strokes to fill in my brows, and then I outlined them when I finished. Another way to fill in your brows, you can brush them up and then outline the bottom, then brush your hairs back down to outline the top, and then continue filling them in as regular. To clean up my brows, I'm going to use a flat brush like this, and I'm mixing my 16-hour Camo Concealer with this Velvet Matte Foundation by Juviasplace. And to start concealing, I started to cover my eyebrow so I can have more control of my shape. To blend our concealer out, we're going to take a fluffy but dense brush to pat our concealer down. Using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation to clean up the top of my brows. Fix it! I like it now. I like it. Okay. Of course, on the day I need my eyebrows to cooperate. They don't want to cooperate. So far, it's fine. Now we'll just let it be. We'll let it do what it wants to do. So now we're just gonna take our concealer and just bring it down our whole eye. To achieve this soft glam look, I pointed to the shades I used in this Morphe 35V palette. Using the first light brown shade, I'm taking it and I'm packing it in the corner of my eye. Then after I build it to how I like it, I slowly take it and I move it into my crease. And here I'm using the same technique with a smaller brush, but with the shade from the Spectrum palette. Now we are going to blend both shades out using a smaller fluffy brush in circular motions. I'm going to take our first brush and we're going to go back into mix the first. I'm going to mix all the shades just to get some depth. I'm going to pat it lightly. We're going to take our concealer brush, and I left a little bit of the product on there, see? And then with the rest of the product, we're going to cut the crease a little bit. You see how it gives that lucky matte finish? Now we're going to take a brush like this. I don't know what it's called, so that don't come for me. Like this, and we're gonna take. We're gonna take this color and this color, these two. Just a little bit of it to pack it on there. I'm gonna tap it off. Tap off the edges. I don't really remember which glitter, but I think it was either these two or these two. And we're gonna take them and put it on there, rub it on there. And we have mascara. Era. You can't see it, but I kind of messed up, and there's mascara on the eyeshadow. So if you run into a problem like that, I'm gonna show you what to do. Some of you might say this is nasty, but you can use water. I think you can use water as well, but I'm just gonna, you know, wet it under my tongue, and we're just gonna dab it. Don't like go smudge, just dab it. You put the product where it left. All you gotta do is just dab, put it back, dab. And then blend again. We're gonna do our liner. We're not gonna do like a whole wing. We're just gonna put it to where our lash is gonna be on. So make sure you use a little bit. Like take off all the excess products you can, because you don't need damage. And you're just gonna stay right here. You see the difference? You see how almost, yeah, get into it. I'm using these lashes, Ienvybykiss. I got them at Walmart for like $3. They're so good. Yeah, we're gonna do this off camera because that's why I hate putting lashes on. Like these don't look so difficult. Like for why? Who knows? Like. And to apply my foundation, I use my foundation brush. And the same concealer that we used to conceal under our eyes, I'm gonna use the same one. And I usually have leftover mine like from what I use on my eyebrows, so we're just gonna put it here. It's Juviasplace again, but this one's the color Molly. I'm gonna leave all the products I use in the description box below. This one's Molly 130, and we're gonna take it and put it right here on our cheek, right here, and then we're gonna take what's left on our nose. our setting powder, and we're gonna put it under our eyes, here, our nose. Hi y'all, I'm so sorry y'all couldn't really see the rest of me finishing the rest of my face, but this is what happens when you have no storage, and then it just went bye-bye and I couldn't get it back. So I think I left off when I was setting under my eye. I did that, and then I wiped it off. I brushed it off with a brush, and then I used this color, I used this shade right here, and I used it to like brush it off when it finished drying. And then I also set right here under my contour, so you know I can get the, it didn't really work for me today, but yeah. Then I highlighted, I blushed, and I bronzed with an actual powder. I used these two shades right here. Ooh, my hand was actually in it. And then I highlighted with like a shimmer from there. And I used this gloss. I used the Elf gloss with this pencil liner. Don't know what it's called. Yeah, got it from the beauty supply store. The name's gone. And then that's just all. And then I just kept going over with my foundation brush to like make sure it's blended, and then I set it with the setting spray. So thank you for tuning in Thank you for tuning into today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed the look, or as much as y'all could have enjoyed of it, because my phone. But yeah, get into it. I'm gonna be baked with my hair all out, so yeah. Thank you for tuning in today's video. Stay tuned for more videos and more slayage, baby girl, because I wasn't feeling it when I first finished my makeup look, but I'm feeling it now. I look cute now.